Not an oil change or brake pad replacement, but a Ferrari owner paid an astonishing $10,000 to replace the sticky buttons. Frustrated with this, he sold his Italian supercar. So he made a complaint, I suppose, about sticky buttons. Is that correct, Will?
Yeah.
And Ferrari said, that'll be 10 grand.
Uh-huh.
To which he said, screw you, I'm selling. Owning an exotic car is a very expensive affair. This is true. The sticker price of a high-performance car like this one, well, they don't actually list the sticker price, but you obviously know 300 grand, 400 grand, whatever. And here's a service bill. So the smallest of issues can easily cost thousands of dollars to fix. A person by the name of Jerry Moss recently posted about his ordeal on Facebook, talking about how it cost him close to $10,000 just to fix some malfunctioning buttons inside his Ferrari. Well, you can see the big cost there is refinishing of all interior pieces is $7,542. So that's a big chunk of the total amount. It's not the parts. It's refinishing, which is weird. I guess to take it apart, there's damage or it has to be, polished, painted? I don't know. Refinishing of all interior pieces. That sounds to me like they have to paint them. Paint the pieces? Anyway. Yeah, well, listen. It's always percentage based. It's like, hey, your car costs this much. This is how much it'll cost for a button. It's all in reference to the total amount. The more expensive something is, the more expensive it is to fix. Cheaper something is, the cheaper it is to fix or replace, for that matter.
If that's the case and you had a Ferrari, would you try to do it yourself since you're a plumber and all?
I don't know, actually, because I have a feeling that they have some pretty strict rules around that. In other words, you've heard of them trying to cut off people from ever buying another one in their lives because they modded theirs.
Or just leave it.
I don't know. The thing is so expensive to begin with that if you're going to try to do some service yourself, you may do more harm than good in terms of the eventual sale price of it because it's not performed by like an official technician. So this guy, knowing that he was going to sell it anyways or deciding that he would sell it instead, will probably like just get it done with the official sign off, and then I'm going to get rid of this frustration in my life and sell it off.